Say ciao to more cozy, comforting soups this fall that'll give your immune system a boost. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make an easy, satisfying soup that also sneaks in 5 vegetables for a mighty nutritious meal. That's amore! Simmer and serve spinach gnocchi minestrone soup. To begin, heat 1 tablespoon of Hy-Vee extra virgin olive oil in a large stock pot over medium-high heat. Once that's heated up, saute 1 large chopped onion and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic until softened. Next, add in 6 cups of Hy-Vee reduced sodium chicken broth, 1 15-ounce can of rinsed and drained Hy-Vee kidney beans, 1 can of Italian-style diced tomatoes, and 2 peeled and sliced medium carrots. Simmer all of this for about 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Kidney beans are rich in protein and fiber, as well as complex carbohydrates, which gradually release glucose into the bloodstream for sustained energy. After that, stir in 1 16-ounce package of Hy-Vee original potato gnocchi, plus 1 quartered and thinly sliced medium zucchini. Gnocchi are Italian dumplings made from semolina flour and potatoes. Try them as a pasta alternative in this healthy and comforting soup. Bring the mixture to a boil and continue cooking for about 2 minutes. Lastly, add 1 cup of baby spinach leaves and heat all the way through. When serving, top and garnish each bowl with some grated Belgioso Parmesan cheese. And don't forget to get your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy and earn a 20-cent fuel saver. Plus, save time and get your COVID-19 vaccination and flu shot together in one appointment. Schedule your appointment online today at Hy-Vee.com.